Good morning, my children. How are you all? Today, we will be starting our new lesson, that is, Lesson 5, our festivals. Do you all know what are festivals, children? I will explain you. It is a day or period of celebrations, typically for religious reasons. So, in this lesson, we will be learning about different types of festivals we celebrate. First, let us watch this clip.
Are festivals. Festivals are a time for happiness and celebration. We celebrate festivals with our family. We wear new clothes and greet each other. We exchange sweets and gifts. We visit our friends and relatives during festivals. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. At night, people decorate their homes with candles and diyas. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. It falls on 25th December. People go to church to pray. On this day, Christmas trees are decorated with balloons, colored lights, stars, and gifts. Eid is celebrated to mark the end of the month of fasting. People go to the mosque to pray, namaz. After the prayer, they wish their friends and relatives a happy Eid, Eid Mubarak, while embracing them. A special dish called Savior is prepared at Eid. Guru Purab, the birthdays of the 10 Sikh Gurus, is celebrated as Guru Purab. People pray in the Gurudwara and organize langars. They read from the holy book Guru Granth Sahib. We also celebrate national festivals. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation.
Now, please be ready with your Term 2 reader. Please take out page number 121. We will start Lesson 5, our festivals. Festivals are a time to be happy. We celebrate festivals with our family. Festivals are special days. We have fun with our friends and relatives during festivals. So what are festivals, children? During festivals, we are very happy, aren't we? Yes, and we celebrate our festivals with our family members like mother, father, grandparents, brothers and sisters, cousins, and we all enjoy on our festivals. And also, festivals are special for everyone. It is a special day for everyone, right? Yes, and on festivals, we have lots and lots of fun with our friends and also relatives. Am I right, children? Yes, we all love our festivals. Now, turn back to page number 122. First, let us read about Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. At night, people decorate their houses with candles, diyas, and lights. Right? Can you see in this picture? They have decorated with candles and also diyas. right? So this festival is called Festival of Lights, and that is Diwali. And we also should come to know that say no to crackers as they pollute the air and cause harm to our ears. Okay, children? So crackers are a big no because they cause pollution and also they harm our ears. There is a big sound when they are cracked. Am I right? Yes, so they are harmful and we should say no to them. Now comes Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. People go to church to pray. On this day, Christmas trees are decorated. Okay, so which month is this, children? It is December. And which festival is coming near? It is Christmas. And they celebrate on 25th December. And they go to church and they pray on that day. And also they decorate Christmas tree. Can you see in this picture? Christmas tree is decorated with lights. Right. And this is Santa Claus. He gives gifts to all the kids. Okay, he is a Santa Claus. So this is Christmas. And Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Then comes Guru Purab. On Guru Purab, people pray in Gurudwaras. They celebrate by giving food to all. Many processions are taken out on this day. So, this is a golden temple. Okay, children? And all the Sikh people, they go to Gurudwara and they celebrate Guru Purab. And on this day, all the Sikh people, they celebrate by giving food to all. And many types of processions are taken out on this day to celebrate. Okay? Then comes Eid. Eid. Eid is celebrated to mark the end of the month of fasting. People go to mosques to offer their prayers, that is namaz. After the prayer, they wish their friends and relatives a happy Eid, that is Eid Mubarak. A special dish called Sevia is prepared on this festival. Right? Doesn't your mama make Sevia on Eid? I think so. Yes, we all make Sevia on Eid. And we all greet each other on Eid by saying Eid Mubarak. Am I right, children? So this was about Eid. Now we will read about Onam festival and Pongal festival. Onam. Onam is a festival celebrated in Kerala. Grand boat races take place during this festival. Floral rangoli is also made. So, this is called Onam. And there is a state called Kerala in India where this festival takes place. And grand boat races are taken place. Okay? And they celebrate this festival and they also decorate the floor with rangoli. See, aren't they decorating with rangoli with all colorful colors? Right? Yes. So, this festival is in Kerala and it is called Onam. Now comes Pongal. Pongal is Pongal is a big festival of Tamil Nadu. The people worship the sun, rain and cow. So what do they do on Pongal? It is They worship sun, rain, and cow. And it is a festival of Tamil Nadu. There is a state in India called Tamil Nadu, and there they celebrate Pongal. Okay, then comes Holi. Holi is the festival of colors and fun. During this festival, we sing and dance. We play with gulal and colored water. We also eat a special sweet dish called gujia. Okay, now comes multiple choice. Tick the correct answers. On Guru Purab, people pray in dash, mosques, gurudwaras or churches. Where do they pray on Guru Purab? They go to gurudwaras and pray. So tick on gurudwaras and also write here Gurudwara. Gurudwaras. Gurudwaras. Right? Yes. Second one. Onam is the big festival of dash. Which state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala or Punjab? Where is it celebrated? Just now I told you. Yes, it is Kerala. It is Kerala. So tick on Kerala and write here Kerala spelling. Kerala. Kerala. Right? Okay. These were our festivals. Now comes national festivals. Let us know what are our national festivals. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. So, both of them are national festivals for us. Okay? And children, there is one more festival which is called Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birth of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, and do you know who was Mahatma Gandhi? Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. He was the one who fought for our independence. So, his birthday is also marked as national festival, and that is called Gandhi Jayanti. What is it called, children? Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October. Can you see these pictures? Republic Day. It is celebrated in Delhi. And this is Gandhi Jayanti. People go to Gandhiji's grave and they put flowers and they pray for him on this day. And this is Independence Day. We all celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Right? We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. So, with this, children, we have read and also I have explained you about our festivals. Children, your homework for today is to do this activity on page number 121. You have to draw the festival that you enjoy celebrating the most. You need to draw it and also color it. This is your homework for today. And please post them in your respective class groups. See you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.